This is a toggle press. We start with the input air. Here you have to give a supply, air supply. This is the pressure adjustment knob. You have to keep 4 to 5 bar pressure, maximum 6 bar pressure in FRL. Use a lubricator. You have to fill lubricator oil inside, and setting is here. In 10 strokes, 2 drop oil should go into the system. This is a solenoid valve. When power is not there, you can just check the cylinder by this valve manually. This is the adjustment for the head. This is the adjustment. Here you have to loosen the 3 bolts. Here there are 3 bolts. These 3 bolts with Allen key. These 3 bolts with Allen key, and adjust the bolt and make the head up and down as per the dies mounted on the toggle press. Presently we have mounted the crimping tool. Also you can operate this press by manually by removing the air. You are removing the air, and you can put the handle here, operated by manually. This is our control panel. This is how we on it. This is a manual mode. Manual mode. In this manual mode, you can operate it by this switch. You can operate it by this switch, manual mode. In auto mode, it works on timer. In auto there are 2 modes. One is foot and one is auto. In auto mode, the light will be constantly on. In foot mode, when you want to go into foot mode, you have to press this button for 5 seconds. This will be blinking. In this condition, you can operate it by a foot switch. By foot switch. In this foot switch, you can adjust the timer. This timing is we have set it for 0.7 seconds. This can be set by entering this button and press enter button. You can just take the trials. Again reduce it. Now we have kept it at 0.3. It's not getting completed, so we will increase the timer. Enter, first enter, then plus, then again enter. While entering it, you will see there is a blinking. During this blinking, you can adjust the timer, and afterwards you can enter it. Enter. This we have done multiple times. We actually don't have the lux. We have done it multiple times. And you can see this 0.25. This is the counter. For resetting this counter, you can press the reset button for 5 seconds. The counter is reset. Once you press the stroke, it counts as 1. 1 stroke is equal to 1. And if suppose any emergency, this is the emergency button. In this emergency button, the press will not operate. This is a fuse given. If the current fluctuation is there and the panel is not working, you can check the fuse. This is the mains on button. Mainly thing you have to look after is you have to give oiling at these parts, this joint parts. You have to go give 2 to 3 drops of oils. And this is a die set for crimping. We have another die set. We have another die set for crimping. This is set in vertical position because the length of wire increases. That's why we have set it in vertical position. And crimping we have set it in horizontal position. So in case any doubt, you can just give a call or give a video regarding any doubts.